Here I've got NOKIA 7.2, and let me show you all the secret codes that you can use on this device. So at first, let's open the phone dialer, and let me start with the first code, which is *##, *4636 ###. And as you can see here, we've got the testing mode, where you can check phone details, user statistics, and also Wi-Fi information. So as you can see, under Wi-Fi details, you will find email number, phone number, if your SIM card is included, current network, signal strength, data service, data network type, voice service, voice network type, and so on. You can also run a ping test, just click on Run Ping Test, and here you've got the details. So that would be all for this one. Then you can check user statistics. So here you will find detailed information about all of your applications. Here you've got them. And for example, if you would like to check the last time used or usage time of some particular application, here you've got it. Let me go back, and then under Wi-Fi information, you've got detailed information regarding your Wi-Fi. Under Wi-Fi APA, which is the first tab, you will find disabled network, disconnected network, enabled network, configured networks, and also the whole connection info. Under Wi-Fi configuration, you can find configured networks, and then Wi-Fi status. Just click on refresh status, it will show you the current network status, and also this mode allows you to perform a ping test. Just click here, and below you've got the solution. So let me go back, that would be all for this code. Let's go back to the phone dialer, and now we will enter second code, which is *##, *426 ###. And now we are in diagnostic mode, where you can check events and also status. If you would like to activate advanced view, just tap on the more icon, select advanced view, and here you will find more sophisticated information. As you can see, here is the change. So this is it, that would be all for this code. And another one is *##, *5 *##. And now we've got the calendar info. So if you will have any events, celebrations, anniversaries included in your calendar, you can smoothly enter this code, and you will be provided with all the details, all the necessary info. So from now on, you will not forget about any important event, any important date. So let's go back. And the last code that we can use is *##06#. And as you can see, this one will provide you with unique numbers assigned to your NOKIA 7.2, which are email and serial numbers. So that would be all. Click on OK to go back, and this is it. This is how you can use secret codes on your NOKIA 7.2. Enjoy, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.